Hey guys, what's going on? It's Connor Lynch here, and I'm going to show you how to unlock bike number 5. So I have it equipped right there. It was a difficult bike for me to unlock. It took me a little bit to figure out, but I'll show you how to do it right now. So just go into multiplayer jam. You can do any one of those 2 races. You can go ahead and race one of them, right, it's bike. Right, so as you're going along, just try to beat the dude. You'll start off with an easier bike. If you get a new jams race, it's usually how it works. Okay, let's just say that I finished it, right? So I finished that, I go back, I click on Chetty, I race him, I race that track, right? I'm going along, say, yeah, whatever, I finished the race. Now, it comes to a point where I can now literally go back, click on this, and race it again, and I unlock bike number 5. That's all you have to do to get bike number 5. It's just race 3 times in one day. It doesn't even have to be in a period of, 3 days. Right, so that's how to get bike number 5 on Madskills Motocross 2. Thank you.